Hey guys, Richard here with the Moli Fam on another adventure. It's an adventure to get to the adventure. We are getting destroyed by snow between 20 to 40 centimeters or roughly 10 to almost 17 inches of snow hitting ground. We're going to medieval times. The fam's all going. You got me, Hales, Isabella, and Austin in the car seat. It's hard to see him because he's in the car seat. He can't bend over too much. We're gonna have a blast. It's me, my parents, our family, and my sister's family. She's got 2 boys, so it's gonna be a little adventure with the whole fam here. We're just trying to get there nice and safe. Hills will show you some of the snow we have and attach it here, or I'll attach it here just so you can see some of the snow we were getting. But yeah, stay tuned for another adventure with the Moli Fam. Alrighty guys, the snow is still a whiteout here. We would have preferred to cancel, I think, today, but the show must go on, they said. We have some crazy amount of snow happening, a lot of whiteouts too. Just trying to get there safely. We're excited, the kids are excited. I think they'll have a good time there. Get to eat with your hands. Very similar to the medieval show. They have about, I think, 8 locations across North America. So
it's the only one in Canada?
Only one in Canada, yeah, it's in Toronto. I went there as a kid in elementary school. I think it was grade 6. I think I went to grade 5 for a trip. Both my kids didn't do it because they kind of took it out. So my daughter's been there once before. My son's never been, so that'll be good for both of them. I think they'll enjoy it. Do you remember it going?
Yeah, I've been 3 or 4 times already.
Alrighty, we're here. It's snowy. We're going to walk in. I just got to go pay for parking here. We had to take separate vehicles because we didn't have a big enough vehicle for all of us. So hopefully it's a good show. And yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. We're in the castle of medieval. We're doing a video today. The family's here. Everyone's here. Everyone's super happy, excited to be here. Getting our VIP passes. Ma got them all for the family. Are you guys excited for the VIP passes? Show your VIP pass. We're VIPs today. Oh, I'll adjust it. Perfect. We got our hats. Austin, Jack, say hi. I feel like if I really push it down, it looks terrible.
Go. 3.
That's a look. That's a look.
You can make it bigger.
I don't want to. I feel like that's the look.
Okay.
We're going to the Hall of Arms, which is like their big gift shop here at Medieval Times, Toronto. All the flags on the ceiling, all the merchandise is everywhere. Everyone's dressed up like they're from the medieval times. And yeah, there's a bar in the middle if you want to come get tanked. I think that'd be a great night, getting tanked and watching a bunch of medieval fights. The big hall, I haven't been here since I was 10 years old, so it's very nostalgic. Oh, the king and queen are right here. All right, we're going to see the horses. Belle loves the horses, so they're all in their stalls, and we're going to see them. I'll let you guys see what they look like. So they're in their stalls. That looks like a headless horse. These are actually really nice horses, all white like that. They have like little viewing windows.
Younger brothers, Lancelot and Sir Percival. You'll see Percy in the middle. He's our youngest falcon. He's 4 years old, and he's on the below average size for a male falcon. So you can see a little bit of the comparison. Can you go see them?
Kids are.
I have you all on my right hand side, okay?
The kids are gonna get.
Get close to me. I only fight on Tuesdays.
Jack is not sure about that. He's just eyeballing it.
Yeah, I got it.
We're good, my lord.
What do you guys say? Thank you. We got my dad the knighting package, and he looks so happy.
You're expecting a kid picture?
He's older than the king. We surprised my dad with the knighting package. Even the king's laughing at this. You gotta take that one off. Hey! We didn't know it was here. That's great. Got our drink. What are you getting?
Margarita on the rocks.
Double margarita. Does she want a margarita on the rocks?
I think so.
I got the Royal Night. Haley's got a margarita. Dad's got a mango daiquiri. Oh,
Yeah. It's good.
they don't skimp out on booze.
And not sweet.
I don't like the margarita. You have a little prequel before the show. Not prequel, you got a little bit of time here before the show so you can get a drink, look at all the merchandise. They got tiaras, they got little figurines, they got sweaters. The gift shop's extensive. The kids love the gift shop, but we'll see what we can get after the show.
Spirit, my friends. Now, just a few final notes before we begin. If you're still awaiting a knighting ceremony with the King and Queen, please remain in the Hall of Arms until I've summoned everyone inside, at which time knightings will resume. Also, my friends, the bar in the hall is now closed, but don't worry, drinks will be available once again once you reach your seats inside. Enter the arena doors. VIP seating is
Give me the first look of the arena. We're VIPs. Everyone together. Hales, you got Austin? Bella? Bonjour. We're entering the stadium with King Dad. He's still rocking the crown. Oh yeah, it's chilly in here, Trev. It actually is pretty chilly. Yeah, it's nice though. I don't know, am I getting another double? That was pretty good. Red and yellow to the left, guys. Make sure you listen. Wow, look at the fog on the stadium. When we came last time, we were sitting on the other side.
Actually, the first time I came, we were sitting over there in the corner. Actually, I think it was this section.
As VIPs, we get the front 2 row, I think you said?
Yes.
So Mama goes to the VIPs.
Of the arena, my friends, you're almost there.
Perfect, thank you.
You're very welcome.
One big asker.
Just slide all the way into
You guys see the 3 there? You guys know what a 3 looks like? Jack is going not for the 3. Are we all that row? That's us? Bad arse. Here in the Medieval Times show, we got our server waiter thing. We're right against the front, so we're front row. We're all here together. It's craziness, but we're having a great time. It's gonna be exciting. I think the kids are ready for it, and that's what this is all about. Mom and Dad want to take us out with the kids, and I think they're getting the fun stuff.
All right. You will beat them. You will. Maybe you will. They don't tell me these things. All right. Yeah. So I'm food and soft drinks. Okay. If we're looking for something a little bit more fun, something for alcohol combinations of those things, I'm not your wedge. Okay. They don't let me touch the fun stuff. It is what it is. All right.
Little plate set up. Nice like pewter sets with all their different locations and wet wipes. It's pretty cool.
the red and yellow night here. So when you come to the arena, you have to cheer for us. You got your flags. We always like to do a little practice cheer to get you on there. Do you guys think you can do that? On the count of 3. Can you do that for me? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
It's fun, really. When the black and white night comes out, or the yellow night, or the red night, you can boo them. Alright? On 3, big boos. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Boo! I'm a Leaf fan. I've been booing for years.
But they haven't started yet.
Yeah, but you can boo that side at any time.
Go ahead.
This is the one time you're allowed to be a black.
You can be obnoxious during this dinner.
You just don't hit your plates.
Yeah, don't say be obnoxious, Hales.
Why? You need to cheer your night. You need to boo.
Feel night of the realm, and for all of your sets and waiting!
Be still, my noble guests. Do not seek the falcon's attention. Remain in your seats and do not attempt to distract her from her purpose. Behold, she takes wing!
No problem there.
Perfect.
And yet they arrive in celebration.
There we go. For you.
The Green Knight!
Jousting time, Hills. They're about to start jousting.
It's jousting time.
They're going again. It's still again.
The craft of Carolina yields, does he not? Then release him back, Louise. Take your places!
Alrighty, the show's done. My night was terrible. Didn't get nothing. The red and yellow. Green Knight won. Red was the betrayer. I know they changed it up a little bit. It was a good atmosphere considering outside. But yeah, pretty good. They're going to meet their knights now on the way out. The kids are super excited.
What's up, guys? We've just finished at Medieval Times and we are finally on the way home. It is a whiteout.
Crazy storm. Crazy.
Snow past our boots walking out in the parking lot. I think Austin had it up to his knees. Belle's cuddled up in the back.
It was not up to my knees.
It was close. So they changed from 30 or 20 to 40 centimeters, which is roughly a foot to, or 10 to 14 inches to 50 centimeters, which is approximately in around 20-ish inches of snow.
Toronto is in a orange warning for weather. We're almost at a state of emergency.
I would say we're pretty close. Like, I'd say our snow is pretty great. Sorry, had to move my hand there. Driving slowly but surely. It was a great time with the family. Dad was knighted. Austin had a great time. Bella had a great time. And we'll make sure we'll see you guys in the next adventure.
Peace.